Hello everyone! The big moment has arrived, the debut of the all-new Porsche Macan. My name is Sabré Cook and I race in the Porsche Carrera Cup North America Series, and it is my honor to be with you for what is a huge moment for all of us at Porsche, but especially for those of us here in the US. The Macan truly rewrote the rulebook when it launched, and it continues to do so today. Capable on the track, on the roads, but equally when there are no roads at all, delivering fun, excitement, and extraordinary performance, all wrapped up in a car that is phenomenally capable and versatile for day-to-day use. After a decade, many millions of miles, hundreds of thousands of cars sold here in the US, and an awful lot of fun later, a new Macan is here. The all-new Macan's top speed is 161 miles an hour, towing capacity 4,400 pounds. And as you're about to see, the new Macan is beautiful. Its styling is completely new. The road to today has involved prototypes being thrown into the toughest conditions on Earth, all with the focus on quality and durability. An important step came at the end of last year when 2 pre-production cars were given to independent journalists to establish just how far a single charge will get you in the new Macan. These testers took to the highways of sunny Southern California and reported back ranges over 300 miles for the Macan Turbo. And for the Macan 4, over 320 miles per charge. It was just another step in the Macan's development journey. And now, those years of hard work are paying off. It's time to introduce the new Macan. For this, we're joining our colleagues at the Global Reveal in Singapore.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Singapore. We have come to the point in the night that you've all been waiting for. We officially present to you the new all-electric Macan.
We are making history once again with the launch of our second all-electric model. Today, our bestseller is going electric. It's a car that performs like a Porsche, but behaves like a smartphone. It's about performance on the road and performance in the digital world. The Macan is a true sports car. It demonstrates our ambitious goals for the ramp-up of electromobility. The new Taycan will come very soon, followed by the 718 and the all-electric Cayenne, and many more to come.
So we wanted as well that we are visualizing that this is an EV. And therefore, you could say we, in a way, borrowed the headlamps of the Taycan, very flat, very low, very slim, with these 4 elements, and tried to close the front much more. For example, in the interior, no combustion engine, no ref counter. So the display, the instrument, curved and free floating, one of my highlights in the interior. And looking at the car, especially from the back, I mean this width to height ratio, so the stance of the car, something I think we even improved, and again underlines that this is a sports car in the segment. But again, I think in the end you have to keep, you're saying, the essence, the brand identity, and therefore we have a very clear design strategy. We'll keep this strong brand identity and product identity of the Macan.
From this moment onwards, you can create your perfect Macan through the online configurator. The moment is here. Build your dream Macan today.